1961. How many questions are left? Well, there was 111, right? Wasn't there 111? Let's see. We're on, is this right? Question 80. So it'd be 20, 31? 31? I don't know. 30 or 31? 31! I'm never going to make it. Is a triangle? No, I am going to make it. I can do it. I can do it. I need to believe in myself. Is a triangle the only basic shape with 3 sides? Did we? Yeah, it is. It is. No matter what the angle is, it's still a triangle. Yes, it is. Alice is 14. On her birthday, she gets in a car, heads towards her friend Samantha's house. At the same time, her friend Emily starts cycling at a speed of 10 miles per hour towards Samantha's house as well. How old was Alice? How old was Alice? She's 14. But on her birthday, she gets in a car. So that means on her birthday, so she is 14 on her birthday, so now she's 15? Or is it they're already assuming that it's her birthday? She's 14 on her birthday. So that how old was Alice? How old was Alice? Saying that like she's 13. So it's either 13, 14, or 15. Oh, Alice. How old was Alice? I'm saying 13. Fuck it. It's right. Wait 10 seconds. I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna click. No. Oh. Okay. That was easy. Turn on the light bulb. Oh! Oh, it's a voyeur! It's a voyeur behind you. He's watching you. A birthday cake. Oh, that's nice. It's a birthday. Whose birthday? It's Alice's birthday. Type the number 4. Incorrect. What? Oh, I can't take it anymore. I lose. I lost the world's easiest game. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Oh, my brain can't take it. I fucking hate your game. Oh.